Hi everyone, this is what the pre-planned trips look like from Trip in a Van and our other contributors when you download them into your Campedia profile. So at the top there where it's got 5 weeks in Tassie, you can actually click on the little pencil there, rename it. You can actually change the dates to when you want to start and end as well. Then we've got map search, trip itinerary, checklist, trip information and guests. So that's where you can actually put in one of your friends' email addresses and it will send them an invite to view this trip. So in here in map search, we've got day one. You can see the orange line showing you from point A to point B and all the other locations that are on Campedia that you might want to visit as well, and you can actually tap on those and add them to the trip as well if there's someone extra you want to go to customize it. So we'll go and click on day two now. So day two, we're in Tassie. You can see the orange line where you're going to drive around, what you're going to see, and all the locations, and again if you want to add anything else. So we click on trip itinerary. Day one, Big 4 Melbourne Holiday Park. We click that little drop down arrow. There's the park. You can click on that, go into that park to ring them and book the accommodation, or click the little arrow and you can navigate to the Big 4 Melbourne as well. And then same with the Spirit of Tassie. So day two, there's all your locations where you want to go, and there's the notes by the contributor. Back at the top of this page, you'll also see a start navigation, and it'll put all that day's trips into your Google Maps or Apple Maps for you. Down the bottom, you can also hit the plus note and add your own notes and share your information. Checklists is where Trip in a Van have actually put in a video about Spirit of Tasmania, also first time travellers tips, and a budget spreadsheet as well. And as mentioned, guests, you can just simply put in a guest's email address here and it will send them an email inviting them to view this trip. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that and happy travelling.